Let's discuss about the laws relating to multinational companies today. What is multinational company? MNC. A company which is in multiple nations is called multinational company. That means MNCs are corporations that operate in multiple countries. Multiple nations means multiple countries. And especially for MNCs, the legal framework is influenced by both the countries' laws. If a company is operating across two countries, so the legal framework is influenced by domestic as well as international laws applied regulations. And law relating to multinational companies, there are 7 pages we need to consider for writing laws relating to multinational companies. The first one is incorporation and legal personality. Incorporation is nothing but starting a company. So, according to Companies Act 2013, any person or any company can be incorporated in any jurisdiction across India. So that we can start a subsidiary, joint venture, or branch office. The famous landmark case for this incorporation is Solomon versus Solomon, where court said separate legal court said the corporation which was incorporated can be treated as separate legal personality. And next one is corporate governance. Once a company is incorporated, immediately we have to appoint the directors, appointment of directors and formation of audit committee. This is very important as per Companies Act 2013. Famous case law for this corporate governance is TCS Limited versus Cyrus Investment Private Limited. And the next one is regulatory compliance. So when we start a company, when any company is incorporated, we have to follow some regulatory compliance with some regulations in India. They are like Forest Direct Investments FDI, taxation laws, labor laws, FEMA 1999, and liberalization of FDI policies. Famous example is Walmart and Amazon operations. Like Walmart and Amazon are from a different country, but when they start their operations in India, they have to compliance with our regulatory formalities inside the India. And lifting the corporate wheel is basically treating the corporate company and the directors separate. But separate legal entity personality protection is there in corporate will. But some cases, if any company or any incorporation did some fraud or malfunction, malpractice, court can make court can hold the individuals accountable. Courts can lift the corporate will principle here. And next, dispute resolution. Uh, Most of the times, disputes comes from contracts, arbitrary arbitration and conciliation act is there. So intellectual properties and competition law. And corporate social responsibility, CSR. So percentage of profits on CSR activities. So according to Companies Act 2013, some percentage of profit they generate can be given to CSR. CSR is nothing but social and environmental causes. They they invest this money, they spend this money towards the education, healthcare, or sustainability of India. And finally, intellectual property rights. So we have some laws relating to intellectual property rights. They are Patents Act, Trademarks Act, Innovations and Brand Identity Act, public health considerations also. So whoever is starting or incorporating any company inside India, they are supposed to follow these acts and obey these acts and be compliant to the acts. Thank you. Please subscribe Nyaya Vidya.